it, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go. Just let go. Just let go. Oh yeah. Just let go. Just let
Let the attack begin.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great sunshine state of Florida. As you know, Maximus is down, as you can see from the last video, but the part that I was waiting for so I could make the car try and get a little bit faster came in the day that we were loading it up. And so I was out here today, see all dirty and stuff, working on my buddy's Charger Hellcat for him. So with that saying, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the parts that I bought. For what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna switch over to E117 is what it's rated at, not E85, because there's no E85 local to me where I'm at. I'd have to drive like 45 minutes to an hour to get pump E85, but since I don't really drive the car on the street or anything like that, that's why I went with this Ethanol R. So I'll show you that, and then I'll show you what I bought to help with my fueling issues. But it's just a little temporary fix to when I go a little bit more full scale. All right, guys, so here it is. This is what fuel I'll be running. I'll be running the Ethanol R. It's pretty much E85 plus 117 mixed together. I have 1200 cc injectors already, and what I have in the box should help me with it temporarily to make some power until I go ahead and do some drop-in pumps. I would like to get the 4 system, but that's like 2 G's, and I'm not sure if it's worth it at this time. All right, guys, so here it is. I'm gonna open it up for the first time here so we both could see what I ended up getting. As I said, it's to help with me going over to E, as I said earlier, 1200 cc's injectors. So I have enough injectors for what the power level I'm putting out. I just need this to help me out a little. Nice. Ta-da! Here it is. I bought a JMS booster pump, the single booster pump. And this one is the plug and play version. And it have the different voltage adjuster, the different configuration for what I may need. But yeah, this is the booster pump. All the little hardware and the fuse. They even come with the zip ties. I bought this actually used off of the forum. It's new, but it's not used. I bought it. It's not new. It's never been used. But here it is. Come with the directions. Hopefully this one's specific to the, this one's specific to the Hellcats. So I'm gonna have to send a wire all the way up to the front to the pedal. So I'll do a install video on this. I really hadn't seen that many install videos online for the JMS booster pump. So that way I could turn it up and give me some little more E when I need the extra power. So everything is pretty much plug and play. As I said, they got all the hardware that is needed, all the line. These should be in the back. I'm gonna put mine in the back, of course, because where the pump and our fuel relay is at. So that will be that. So it's the JMS booster pump. As I said, I already have the injectors. Install video coming soon. So there it is, guys. This is a little short, quick video to keep you guys entertained.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?
See what I'm doing in the process of getting Maximus back up on the road. So dropping the tranny, pulling out the clutch, sending it out, getting it rebuilt, and then putting it back in. And hopefully it'll be able to handle all the power that I throw at it. With this Mantic triple disc, it's 1,500 foot-pounds of torque. So it will definitely handle it. I said I've had this one in there for a while and been, you know, using it and launching it hard at the track. So it's bound to go out, and I'm glad it went out now instead of later on when I was out of town at a event. So I'd have been even more upset, go all the way out of town and can't even participate in the event because your car is down. So that is what I got there. So definitely give the video a thumbs up if you like what I'm doing, if you like the build, if you like the process, if you like the channel. Just go ahead and give me a subscribe, comment down below, share the videos, and I really appreciate it. As usual, you guys rock with me. And till the next video, guys, peace.
I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, with no love goes. Women buddy like